Hey everyone, want to add Google Fonts to your website? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Fonts website. Browse the font library and choose the font family you want to use. Next, open the fonts page and select the styles you need, such as regular, bold, or italic. Now copy the provided web embed code, or CSS import link. This lets your website load the font directly from Google Fonts. Open your website files and add the code to the HTML section or import it into your CSS file, depending on how your project is set up. After that, update your CSS by setting the new font family for your headings, paragraphs, buttons, or other website elements. Save your changes and refresh your website to confirm the new font is loading correctly. Finally, test your website on different devices and browsers to make sure the font displays properly and remains easy to read. And that's how you add Google Fonts to a website. With just a few simple steps, you can give your website a cleaner and more professional look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.